Привет guys, welcome to a new video. In this video I'm gonna teach you how to fix the Grand Theft Auto San Andreas problem that consists in when we open any server from SAMP, it opens the normal game. And it's annoying because we wanna play. But well, here I have a really good solution. But first let's see what's wrong. So let's join to this server. Well, it's loading. It's almost done. Okay, as you can see, it's opening the normal game. We just need to download the archive that I upload in Mediafire. Don't worry, it's not a virus. Then we must extract it and copy what is inside directly to our root folder. Then we paste and replace. Congratulations, it's done. Your problem is solved. If you need some help, please comment below and I will be answering you.